Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ka Iingkashari Meghalaya High Court kala Bthah iaka Sorkar jala bakan thaw iaka Accountability Commission hapoh jong ka Meghalaya Police Act arajar shipho hapoh ka saubnai haka baka kamram jong ka kalong banto kit halor ki jingkin no le bakla jong ki pulit bat ban pantik na iaka jingit clear. Ya ka ni jing Bthah lapan mi hadien ka jing bishar iaka Public Interest Litigation PIL bala mudui da unilbert CH marak bat flaming B marak kibalak daw halur ka jingpulam jong Sorkar ban thaw iaka Accountability Commission wat lala dep ban pelong an iaka Meghalaya Police Act arajar shipho. Kumtang ila Bthah iaka Sorkar jala bakan thaw iaka Commission hapoh ki kendon jong Meghalaya Police Act arajar shipho hapoh ka saubnai na du ka negasngi ong ka Division Bench ka bakanthop ya Chief Justice IP Mukherjee bat Justice W Dingdo haka hukum balapan mi haka khat pratrik nailar. Ka bench ka shimru baka kamram jong ka Accountability Commission kalong ka bayar bat ka ba aya ki jing Bthah ka ba aya ka jing beten lenti bat a jing mud ya ki kam ki baka Sorkar bat ka tanat pulit ki day ban le. Ka commission ka dan ya ka bor ban tokit ya ki record ba ya day bat ki jing tokit ban Bthah ban penkloy ya ki jing tokit bat ban a jing mud halor ka rukam shong bishar jong ka tanan. Ka jing thaw ya ka commission ba ka jing jiet ikit khon ka day ka balak daw ha ka kendon nyobusaw jong ka Meghalaya Police Act arajar shipho. Ka bench kalak daw ru halor ka jing pensngo jong ND Chulai Additional Advocate General ba ki don ru ki weki an ki balat rekam bat ki ba ai bor ya ka jing rekam jong ka commission kat kum ka ni ka act bat day na kataka daw ba ya ka ni ka act shim la pun rekam shu. Lada kalong hakata ka dur ka Sorkar jala kalong light luit ban penkala ne pendu ya ka Meghalaya Police Act arajar shipho. Kat bom patle iaka ni ya ki jing Bthah ha ka hukum jongi de ban pentre kambet kala ong hak ba penkut ya ka PIL.